backwards, as you said. Right, we're on the East Lancs Railway, and this is the train coming in from Rottenstall, presumably. From Bury. This is the branch from Bury. You see the back end of the locomotive. Couldn't really have timed that much better, I don't think.
No, I think you picked the perfect time.
I only just decided to come round as well. You see that, did you, Bridget? Are we allowed to walk down to the station or not?
Well,
If you're not going to ticket.
I've no idea. I don't know what the arrangement is here. I came up yesterday and had a ride up the track because I'm not from here.
Right.
I've got relatives that live here. They've just moved up. So I've come up to visit, and I thought, well, I'll come and have a look at the railway as well. So I had a trip up the line yesterday, and I think my sister said that they were issuing platform tickets, which is unusual for reserve railroad, but they generally let you on.
It's a reasonable idea, I suppose, isn't it? I mean, a bit of extra income. I don't think the car here or not. It's not the yellow line, probably car.
I think you're probably okay.
Right, so unexpected bit of train spotting. Unfortunately, Julius isn't here. This is live, by the way.
All right.
Bridget's watching from Australia. I'm not where Moldor is.
The train now standing at Heywood station will form the 1310 departure to Rottenstall, calling at Bury Bolton Street, Summerseat, Ramsbottom, Irwell and Rottenstall.
1310, so that's...
Wish to visit the classic motorbike rally at Bury, they should change to Bury Bolton Street. Thank you.